As the Malaysian Association for the Blind, or MAB, commemorates its 75th anniversary, we mark a significant milestone in our enduring mission to empower persons who are blind and visually impaired, promote inclusivity, and advance the prevention of avoidable blindness. This anniversary year represents more than just a celebration of legacy. It is a reaffirmation of purpose. Over the past 7.5 decades, MAB has remained steadfast in delivering rehab services, education, employment support, advocacy, and community-based programs that uplift lives and foster independence. The 75th anniversary countdown now builds momentum towards its grand finale fundraising event, the culminating highlight of this historical year. This flagship event will unite partners, donors, corporate leaders, government agencies, and the wider community in a shared commitment to sustaining and scaling MAB's impact for generations to come. As we count down to this landmark finale, MAB invites all stakeholders to stand with us, celebrating 75 years of service while investing in a future where no one is left behind due to visual impairment. 75 years of purpose, a future of possibility, one grand finale. Ladies and gentlemen, proposed lineup of signature events. World Braille Day with the launch of the Braille Dental Flip Chart and a Tactile Learning Center for the Blind. This event took place on the 6th of January 2026 at the MAB Hall. The second one was a town hall with street musicians and the entertainment industry with Yang Berhormat Minister of Communications, which took place on the 23rd of January 2026 at the MAB complex. There will be another big event, the Synergistic Symphony of Sound and Sight, which will take place in July. We will be collaborating with a private school, Sri Cempaka, in Bukit Damansara. This particular event is going to be very exciting because we will have a choir, we will have an orchestra, and we will have a group of blind people who will be listening to the music and enjoying it. At the same time, they will be painting. Now, the next one is our 75th anniversary exhibition, which will take place at the end of May to July 2026. The venue, inshallah, will be at the Mid Valley Mega Mall and New Central, Kuala Lumpur. There will be an immersive public exhibition tracing MAB's 75-year journey through archival photos, interactive booth, assistive tech showcase, braille system, screen readers, artwork by blind artists, and live demos. The exhibition aims to promote understanding, challenge stereotypes, and encourage empathy and inclusiveness. The next one will be a concert at Angkasa Puri, a royal tribute that will take place sometime in June, July, thereabout. A prestigious evening concert celebrating the talent and resilience of visually impaired musicians, complemented by performance from guest artists. The concert seeks to garner national attention and royal patronage, further elevating MAB's profile and commitment to cultural empowerment. The next one will be in August 2026. We will have the MAB Excellence Award Night. This will be held, inshallah, at the MAB complex. An award ceremony recognizing outstanding individuals and partners across 7 categories: blind achievers, youth leaders, volunteers, educators, corporate sponsors, innovators, and community champions. This event celebrates those who have significantly contributed to MAB's mission and the wider blind community. Next, sometime in August, we will be having a mini charity concert, a prestigious evening concert celebrating the talent and resilience of visually impaired musicians, complemented by performance from guest artists. This will be held at the Civic Center, Petaling Jaya, in August. The next one will be a charity 75th anniversary golf, which will take place in August 2026. The venue is at Glenmarie. Next will be an international workshop and seminar, Vision Beyond Sight. This will take place at the Berjaya Hotel in August-September this year. This will be a one-day international workshop bringing together 150 participants, including policymakers, employers, educators, and advocates, featuring expert speakers, panel discussions, and policy dialogues. The seminar aims to build inclusive frameworks and share best practices in blind empowerment and employment. The next one is the fundraising gala dinner, a night of vision. This will take place at the Majestic Hotel, Kuala Lumpur Grand Ballroom. A black tie banquet dinner attended by corporate leaders, philanthropists, and prominent supporters. The evening will feature performances by blind artists, beneficiary stories, silent auctions, and recognition of key partners. This event serves as the cornerstone of MAB's fundraising efforts for its next decade of service. In conclusion, the 75th anniversary of MAB is not just a celebration of the past, it is a bold declaration of commitment to the future. Through these 8 impactful events, MAB seeks to, number 1, honor the achievements of the blind community. 2, engage the wider public in inclusive initiatives. 3, strengthen strategic partnerships. And 4, drive forward the vision of a more equitable, accessible Malaysia. Together, let us all commemorate 75 years of vision and chart a brighter, inclusive future for all. Thank you very much. All of you are welcome to join us in this fantastic big celebration of the Malaysian Association for the Blind 75th anniversary. Thank you and good day.